Alrighty, I'm gonna do another cold start here for you guys. Let's see here. That's not too bad. Mine's 23.8. She didn't plug it in this time. Huh? You can come watch Daddy start his car. Alright, Princess. Yeah. Yeah. You think that's funny, right? Huh? Alright. Okay. Yeah, here. No. Okay, you come watch at the door here. Yeah, you come watch. You make sure Daddy doesn't hurt himself. You know the deal, right, Halfling? Okay. Come watch Daddy. Yeah, you know how tragic this can go. Yeah, come watch. Alright. Nice day out in the country. Not really. It's cold, actually. Okay, that's it here. She's actually plugged in this time, so. Pump edge. Wow, slam. Oh my, not much slammage. Holy. That's your slammage you're getting today. Oh, there she's gonna sit for a while. Oh, there she is. Alright. Let's see if I can let my foot off the clutch here. Down here, not off. Let's see here. I'm off the clutch. Oh, I don't know. Nope. We gotta hold this guy in for a little bit. Oh, hey. Let's try it here again. Come off the clutch nice and slow. Oh, maybe. Oh, boy. No. Let's see, will she let me come off the clutch here? Oh, there she is. Oh, she was not happy with that one today. Wow. Don't know if you can hear that transmission whining right now. Got a nice little whine to it this morning. Oh, gives that clutch a little pumpage. Yeah, get the brakes a little pumpage. Yeah, they're frozen up. Oh, there. You know she's cold when the fluid in your brakes lines don't want to fucking move. Jesus. Alright. Well, there's another successful cold start for you guys. Tell that she's just juicing like a motherfucker out here. Oh, she's windy. Too bad. Yeah. She's going to be sitting for probably a good 20 minutes, half an hour before she even moves. There's another one for you.